New feature alert.
Organize your Gemini chats with Google Keep.
Hello and welcome to Tech Tips with Cameron. I'm Cameron and today we are diving into, to continue our series on productivity, into how we can integrate Gemini with Google Keep.
Tell me more.
Now, if you've never used Google Keep before, this is a great chance to try something new. What it is it's a note taker. And it's not only a note taker, it's a collaborative note taker. But not only is it a collaborative note taker, it's a taggable, searchable collaborative note taker. You know what? I could keep going, but I won't.
Don't do it.
So maybe you're not a regular Keep user, but you're finding that your Gemini is getting overcrowded. What do you mean? Let's look. So you can see here that if we're regular Gemini users, you could have hundreds of thousands of searches. We're finding that it's very hard to keep chats organized inside of Gemini. This is where this Google Drive integration with Keep can be so handy. What it allows you to do is take any chat that you have and send it directly to Google Keep, where you could add reminders, change colors, leave notes, hints, tags to yourself, so that you can actually come back to that chat when you need it. Productivity?
Oh yeah.
So here's a chat I have all about using Google Keep and Gemini. It helped me make a script. That's perfect. So what I can do is if I need to come back to this, and again, I'm thinking, maybe I have a lesson plan. Maybe I have a really good idea. Maybe I have a plan for a field trip, and I need to come back to it at a different time. It's going to get lost in this mayhem over here on the left. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to save it. So any chat you have, you can say at Google Keep and press enter. It's going to save this whole chat as a note inside of your Google Keep. You can see what it's done is it has taken this and saved this whole storyboard as a new note in Google Keep for me. Let's go see. So here I am in Google Keep. We can see that it has taken the whole note, saved it, and here's what else is really cool. Anytime I want to come back to it, it automatically links right here to Gemini. But that's not it. What we can do is we can add labels so we can find it. I'm going to label this one under scripts, so I know that I can always find this when I'm looking for scripts. Is that it? No, this is also about Google Keep. So I'm going to add another label by clicking Change Labels and adding a label called Keep. This way, anytime I search Google Keep, this note will come up. Anytime I search scripts, this will come up. What do I mean? Let's see. So I'm in my search and I want to search by label. I can click on labels and you can see them all there. Or you can actually search by labels by searching scripts. Press enter and it actually will pull up any notes that you have tagged with that tag. Pretty amazing.
Now that's organized.
Another amazing feature, we can add the remind me piece. Maybe I'm making this video next week. So I click on the remind me and I'm going to say next week at 8 a.m. I'd like it to pop up. Now I'm going to get notified that, hey, not only do you have to do it, but here it is, and if I want to go directly to that chat, I can by clicking on the link.
Incredible.
And it'll pull that chat right up for me. Hope you enjoy. Bye-bye.